Hey shoppers, today we have a kids toolbox toy set. This is a great toy to encourage DIY, hands-on, fine motor skills. It comes in a nice plastic toolbox with a lid that locks with a handle. It comes with an electric drill operated by batteries. And it comes with an assortment of toys.
Go toys! Yeah! It's so my toy.
It has a tape measure with real measurements, inches. Has pretend safety goggles that the child can wear. A hammer. So it comes with these screws. It also has a pretend mask that the kids can wear. It goes over their face. Like so. And it comes with these little flat pieces that the screws can screw into. So the child can learn how to use the tools. It has these tools here that help Okay, ready? You do it. Good job. Do the next one. Okay, so it comes with this zippered up safety neon toy vest.